Yeah. So previously, for Docker, we this one 101 as a master we have used. So what we will do now first. So you guys can also do the same thing. So first, what we will do, we have installed the Docker on these machine, right? This one is a master, and this one is a worker node, and this one is a worker node 2. So we will use the same server. Okay, so first what I will do, we did the installations of Docker. So first of all, we will uninstall it. We will remove it. Okay. So after the configuration of Kubernetes, again we will install the Docker. Okay. So
If Docker is already installed, then we cannot reinstall the Kubernetes.
no, actually for Kubernetes, some network is different. Okay, we are
Okay.
using the different network. Okay, so that's why first we will remove it and later on we will install it. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
because here we will use the network like Calico. Generally, we are using the Calico as the network purpose. Okay.
Calico. Okay.
Yeah, Calico. Calico. Calico.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, so first I will clean up this server. Okay, this is the master node. So first I will log into master node. Master batch worker node 1. Batch worker node 2. Okay, so first we will check. Um, okay, Docker. Okay. So this architecture is clear to all, right?
Yes.
I think this. Okay. Okay, so I think that one is clear. Okay, so see, here I have some prerequisite. Okay, so that we will see first. And before means if you have server like means Docker is already installed, so first remove it. Okay, so what we will do, we will remove the Docker first. So I will share this command as well. Okay, so I'm executing this command. Okay. 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 So this is the worker node 2. Okay. So now first I will uninstall the Docker from this machine. You have to enter Y, yes. 1 minute guys. हेलो अरे अभी क्लास स्टार्ट की है बोलो क्या हुआ हाँ फिर बात okay so you have to give yes okay see right now this is 31%. This one is carry like 25. Okay, this will take little bit time. Okay, okay, done. Same we will do on this server as well. And same going to okay done. So if you will execute some Docker, then will not work, right? Okay, so now it's uninstalled. Okay, now Docker image, if I will see, this will not work, right? Okay, okay, so this is done. So okay, done and done. Okay, so and there is some storage. Okay, so that one also we can remove. These two command also I'm sending to you guys. Okay. Okay, so I will execute one by one on those three server master and worker node. Okay, executing. Okay, done. One more command we have. So guys, you have to follow the same step, okay? Don't skip any step, okay? So see, this is sudo rm hyphen rf etc docker. So whenever we are installing the docker, so inside the etc docker folder will create, and there whatever the file is like supporting file, there will be so just now I removed the dockers. That's why I'm deleting these all things. Okay. Okay. Executed here also I executed. Okay. See now what are the prerequisite? See, whoever have not means understanding of Kubernetes architecture will get trouble in understanding these things. Okay, so whoever means missed or something not understand, ask anytime. Okay, you can ask at any time. Okay. Okay. See, for the installation of Docker, here we are going to install Docker. Okay. Means Kubernetes installation. Okay, we are going to install Kubernetes. So installation of Kubernetes prerequisites. Prerequisites. Prerequisites means requirement. Okay. So see, first required three, at least one for the master node, one server is required for master, and one at least worker node. Okay, two server at least required. Two server at least required. And whatever the server you have, at least see master one server and worker node one server. So at least two CPU is required. Okay, two CPU for this server and two CPU for this server is required. Okay, whatever I am writing here, so that will be the condition for one server. And the second is RAM. Okay, so RAM also required 2 GB. Okay, at least 2 GB is required. And third, storage means disk space also required. Disk space, if you will talk about disk space, 2 GB is required. Okay. And why two server is required? When cluster we create, at least two server is required. Okay. So there is two server. So in fourth, we can say like a reliable a internet connection is required.
A command in military terminology is an organizational unit for which a military commander is responsible.
ये अलेक्सा बोलने लगा था यार. ओके, So a internet connection is required, means internet is required for this activity. Okay. So now actually why we are actually learning the Kubernetes. Okay. In previous classes, I have already taken the name something like a scaling, means so many kinds of new facilities are provided by the Kubernetes. Okay, means fast. Okay, whenever server is, means whenever our application will go down, that time it will come like too much fast. Okay, within like 20 or 30 seconds, our application will be up. Okay, so many features are available in the Kubernetes that we will study one by one. Okay, don't worry. So now I think these four things are clear to all. Clear, guys?
Yes.
This prerequisite is clear, right? Okay. Now,
This requirement is for master node only, or as well as for worker node also?
worker node also. See, master node is here and worker node is here. So whatever you have, master or worker node, at least 2 CPU and 2 GB RAM is required. Okay. If you are going to take 1 GB, then your means server will hang. Okay, and means you are not able to work the things. Okay.
Okay.
So these things I means prerequisite provided by the Kubernetes team only. Okay. So these are the prerequisites given by Kubernetes only. I haven't mentioned by itself. Okay. Okay. So now we have means multiple step for installation of Kubernetes. Okay. So we will go one by one step. Means how we will install the Kubernetes. We will go a step by a step. Okay. So first step. Okay. So now I'm going to first step. First step is disabling swap. Anyone knows about the what is swap? What is swap? Anyone knows? Anyone having idea about the swap?
Swap means to interchange.
Meaning means interchange. Technically, what we can say, meaning means interchange. Interchange, that is correct. Technical meaning means what? I want to listen about technical meaning. What is technical meaning mean? Swap or interchange. Anyone, guys? Okay, I will explain.
It might be exchange, switch off, interchange, all these things. Switch cursor.
Switch means interchange. Yes.
Correct.
See, actually, here why we are in disabling. Why I have written in the first step I disabling swap. See, in Kubernetes, why we are using the Kubernetes for the fast performance. Okay, for the fast performance. Okay, so now what will happen? we have assigned 2 GB RAM at least, right? And 2 GB disk space, right? Means a storage. So now listen carefully, guys. Okay, if you means your guys are not understanding, you can ask. Okay, first I will explain, then you guys can ask. Okay, see, in a starting in the first in prerequisite, I have mentioned about the 2 GB RAM and 2 GB storage. So actually, what will happen in Kubernetes? Generally, we are deploying the applications. Okay, so while deploying the application, what will happen? Pod will create. Okay, pod will create. So now pod is what? Pod will see. Pod is nothing but this is a part of your application only, right? Inside the pod, I already explained, guys, that container will available, right? So container is what? Application part only, right? In a means application image from image container will create in Docker. I already explained these things. So I think these things are clear to all. So now what will happen? This will assign on any server, right? This will assign on any server. Okay. Now what the server is having? Server is having RAM and storage. So now what will happen? Suppose you assign 2 GB RAM and 2 GB storage. Suppose whatever you deployed the application, that takes one application will take suppose 500 MB. Okay, second application suppose took 720 MB. Okay, and one more application you deployed on the same server. Okay, now if you will add these two, how much MB will come? 1220, right? 1220, right? So 2 GB RAM means how much? 1024 MB into 2 means this much MB will be available, right? So, and whatever the server you defined already to see, you will install Kubernetes, you will install Docker, you will keep some image, so many things, right? This will also took some storage or some RAM, right? This will occupy some storage and RAM, right? So what will happen if we will not disable the swap? Then what will happen? If RAM is full, okay, if RAM is full, okay, then what will happen? Some part of a storage will take, okay, some part of a storage will occupy. That will make slow, okay, that will create slowness, okay, that will create slowness. That's why if slowness comes, this means this is why we are deploying the application in Kubernetes, because of fast, right? So if you will not disable, this will take some part of a storage. You guys are aware with RAM and storage, I think. RAM is faster than storage, right?
Right.
So that's why we are disabling the swap. Okay, that's why first we will disable the swap. Okay, clear guys?
Yes.
Clear, right? Okay, so now we will follow some steps for the swap off. Okay, so some command we have. Okay, so I think here already I cleared all the things. Okay, Mhm. So this is the master node. So I will execute some command. Okay, sudo, in sudo already we have, right? So we can first I want to show you the swap. If I want to show the swap things, you can execute sudo swap on -su. See, this one is showing as a swap. Right now this one is on. Okay, so if we will disable this one, this will not show. Okay, so what will be the command? Sudo swap off -a. This command will temporarily disable the swap on your system. Okay, this will temporarily. Okay, this command what will do? Temporarily disable the swap. Okay, so what will be the use of temporary? So one more command I will show you. Okay, so first we will see this one. Okay, enter it. Okay, done. Now again execute this one. See, you are not able to see these things, right? Sorry, these things you are not able to see now, right? This is temporarily we did. Now we will do for permanent. Okay, for the permanent we have a command okay. Yes, this one. Okay, one minute, not copied. Paste it. So you have to use this command to disable the swap for the permanent. Okay, so enter it. Okay, so these three commands you have to execute on these three servers. I took here master one server, second is a worker node, and third is a worker node. Okay, so now I will execute the same command on these these two machines as well. Okay, done. 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 Okay, this is the third command. So you have to execute these 3 command on 3 machine. Okay, done. Done. Okay, I should send this command, right? Okay. Okay, so first topic is cover. This one. Disabling swap is covered. Okay. Now we will second see maybe you guys can create the new server. Okay, here we already given the name of our host name, right? Here I already have given the uh, host name as master batch. If you will type here host name, so host name is master batch. Okay, already I have attached. So second is set up host name. If you have new server, you can give the name of your server. Okay, like master worker node 1, worker node 2. Okay, so you can use this command sudo host name ctl, right? Yes, host name ctl set host name, and whatever you want to give the node name you can give. Okay, master, then you can write it as master. Okay, this is the command. So this is the second. Okay, so similarly you have to perform on the worker node as well. This one I perform on the master worker node, you can perform the same. Okay, same command, and here you can write as a worker node 1, and here worker node 2. Okay, I think second setup of host name is clear to all, right? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now third is third. See, in the third you have to whatever you will use the worker node, okay, or master node. So like see, we have one master node and 2 worker node, right? Worker node 1 and worker node 2. So this one having some IP, right? So what we have the IP 10, no sorry, 192.168.29.101. Okay. X 192.168.29.101, and this one having 39 and this one having 41, 39 and 41. So this is 39 and this is 41, right? Okay, so now you have to enter, means you have to keep these details on each server. Okay, these are all 3 details on each server. Okay, so what we will do actually, so this topic name you can give as a resolution of host name. Resolution of host name. So for this, what you have to do, what you have to perform here, you will see. Here you can write. See, first if you will see cat etc host HOTS. Okay, this will be the default. Okay, this will be the default on each server. Okay, if you will check these details, by default we have. Okay, now what we have to perform here, we have to add those all. See, this is the master node. Okay, so this is the master node. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to keep all the master node details with the host IP with the master host name, and this one worker node. Okay, I'm writing here, then you will see. Okay, how we can edit it? V means editor, right? V means editor. Okay, etc and host HOTS. Okay, okay, enter it. Here you have to make the changes. So I will type insert and come here. Here, what server we have? 192.168.29.101, right? And what is the host name? Master batch only, right? Okay, we will check it. What is the host name? Host name. So this is the host name. Okay, so after IP you have to give one space, then after what? Host name. Okay, similarly for the worker node. Host name. And, okay, this is the host name. Okay, first what we will do now? Paste here 39 and 41, correct? 41. And what is the host name? Host name is worker node 1. Okay. Space worker node 1. And here worker node 1. Okay, so now we will copy same. We have to keep on this server as well. Okay, so first we will save it. So escape, then colon WQ, save it. Okay, now come to here. Here also, where we will go? Beam etc HOSTS. Okay. Okay.
Why this one is used for?
Yeah, why we are using?
Just for communication.
Just for the communication purpose. I will show you in previous classes. I already show you by using the command ping, right? So I will show you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So for those purpose only we are doing these things. Okay, guys, clear to all why we are using these things, why we are writing the details of IP address of all server or a single server. Guys, clear, right? Anyone have doubt on this?
Yes.
Okay, here also we will paste for the communication purpose. Okay, here also we will save it. Same you have to save over here. Sugar. Bhim. British. Okay, here also we will. Okay. Okay. Just you guys have dots, so I will pass some packet. I will pass some packet so that we will able to see means communication is happening or not. Okay. So guys, I think I already explained about the ping command. Tell me the command how we can ping. How we can ping from this server 101. I want to pass some packet to this server. What we can write? Hmm? Hey, you guys forgot it?
Ping IP address of another server.
Ping और IP address देंगे.
Ping -c. Okay, then you can pass the packet, whatever you want, 4 or 5 or 6, whatever you want, you can pass the packet. And then after the host name. Okay, so this one having what the host name? Batch worker node 1, right? So worker node 1, I can pass here, worker node 1. So we will check communication is happening or not. So we can check it. Yeah, see, our packet is passing. Right, see, worker node 1 PS statics transmitted 6, received 6, see 6 packet transmitted and 6 received, 0 packet loss. There is no loss of packet. This means from this server to this server each communication is happening. Now we will check from this one. This one is worker node 2.
So here, which network is using?
Sorry, Nandita.
Which network it is using for the communication?
See, this one is a bridge network only. See, I already explained about the networking system,
Yeah,
right?
that's I know. I thought maybe some new.
No, we will use it. We will use it once we will install the this one Kubernetes. No, that time we will use one new network. Okay, Calico we will use. Okay, I will show you. Okay. See, this one also communicated. Now you can ping from here also. What is the command? I can copy. Okay. Okay, this one. This should ping, right? Yeah. And this one, what the name? Host name. Host name is master batch. We can try this one also. Yeah, so our communication is good. Means our packet is transferring, means transmitting, right? Okay, transmitted. Okay, done. So this is the third step, right? Host name we have we already seen. This is the third resolution of host name is third. So now we will see the fourth step. Now we will see the fourth step.
But hi Harish, in organization already Kubernetes will be set up, right? Already.
In organization, no. See, suppose you have open one company. So if your company is newly, then your Kubernetes is installed on server. In that case, Kubernetes is installed. No, right?
Yeah.
So whenever you guys are going to join in a startup company, okay. So there may be installation. Maybe you get the chance of installation of Kubernetes, and maybe requirement for the new applications. Okay. So maybe you need to install this Kubernetes. Okay. So this should know actually. Okay. Then after you will come to know how our Kubernetes components are working. Okay. Because in Kubernetes, everything depends on the Kubernetes components only. Okay. So whatever I define the 4 component in the master and 3 component means main 3 component in the worker node, you should know. Okay. While installing, those all things come. Okay. Those all things will come. Okay. So you guys should know these all things.
Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So now, now see, by default, bridge network is available. So now we will set up one IPv4 bridge network. Okay, on all nodes. Okay, whatever nodes we have, we will install IPv4. Okay. So what node we have? One master and 2 worker, right? 2 worker. So for this one, we have to perform some step. Okay. So I have already written the command here. Okay. So for these things, so what we will do here? We are going to set up our IPv4 bridge network. Okay. So for set up these things, we have to perform some step. Okay. So we have some commands. So you guys have to execute these things. Okay. So first, these all a step I will send you guys. Okay, don't worry about things. Okay, right now focus on understanding the things. Okay. Okay. So 2 master is there. One I will close. Okay. So whatever we will perform, these all things you have to perform on these three server. Okay. Okay. So what we will do here? First we will use this command. Okay. So here you are able to see etc module load.k8s.config. Okay. It means etc inside the etc, what we are going to create a new configuration file. Okay. A new configuration file of which one? Kubernetes. Okay. That is called as K8s. Okay, what we call K8s. Okay, and see, one is overlay network. You are able to see here. Okay, overlay. Okay, in the IPv4, those mix up of both will be overlay and bridge. And here is one more is BR net filter. Okay, BR net filter is also a kind of network mode only. Okay, so so we will use here. Okay, so now enter this command. Okay, so see, overlay and BR generated. Okay, now we have two more command to apply this one. Okay, whatever overlay and BR net filter, we have to apply it. Okay, for applying these two, we have to use this command, sudo modprobe overlay. Okay, enter. Enter. Okay, so these things we applied. Now for applying this one, we need to reboot the parameters. Okay, whatever we have, these we use not overlay and BR net filter. One more command is there. Okay, that we will use here. So what you guys can do, okay, one more command should be there. Yeah, see, system systtl params required by setup parameters persist across reboot. Okay, when reboot will happen, then this will all applied. And here applies systtl parameter without reboot. You can use this one. Okay, so first we will use this one. Okay, see, new bridge nf call IP table. See, I have explained about the this one Q proxy, right? Q proxy I explained there, right? Anyone remember about the Q proxy? I will ask
It's
to
provide the
someone.
IP
One
address
minute,
for
1 minute. 1 minute, I will ask who is available here. Okay. Surprise, tell me what you understand by Q proxy.
See, Q proxy actually it assign the IP addresses.
Assign the
IP address.
IP address to
Yeah.
whom? To whom?
Pod. To the pod.
To the pod, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So now, see here. Here, whatever the IP will be, okay, that will store in the format of IP tables. Okay, that will store in the format of IP tables and IPv6 tables. Okay, and here is IPv4, IP forward. So generally this we are using for the network purpose. Okay. Okay. And now we will apply this command. Okay. So this one is applied. Okay, this one is applied. Here you will see applying etc system 1999.config. Here IP table is applied. Okay, so this command will apply your whatever you make the changes there, all will be applied here. Okay, so same thing you have to perform on this worker node as well. Okay, so from starting whatever we did, okay, that we will apply. Okay, so what is the first command, guys? Okay, I will take from here directly. Okay, from here only, right? Here we applied. Okay, okay. Yes, from here only, right? Okay, so
Right.
I will do firstly. Okay. Okay. On worker node, I am applying now. Applied. Here also I will apply. Applied. These two commands I will execute at a time. Here I applied only, right? Here I use two commands at a time I am executing. Okay, both are executed. Both are executed on, right? Okay. Then after we have to perform this one. Okay. Okay, done. Then after you have to apply without report. We are using this command. Okay, because so this will work. This will apply without rebooting your system. Command is correct only, right? Correct. Done. Here also done. Okay, done. Okay, so I think fifth is this that one. No? Okay, fourth. So this is done now. Now fifth. In fifth, what we will do? We will install the kubelet. Okay, I will write here. In fifth, what we will do? In fifth, we will install. What we have to install. What we will install? Kubelet. We'll install the kubelet. We will install the kubeadm. We will install the kubectl. Kubectl. Okay. So I think tell me, guys, kubelet is available on all nodes or only on master node? Anyone having idea? Kubelet. Where kubelet will available? What is kubelet?
Both the master and worker node both.
Yeah. So this kubelet is nothing but this one is node agent. Okay. This is node agent. This is what? This is node agent that runs on all nodes. Okay. Kubelet. And what is kubeadm? kubeadm will provide the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, with the help of kubeadm, we will create the cluster kubeadm. Oh, sorry. With the help of kubeadm, what we will do? We will create the Kubernetes cluster. You will create Kubernetes means K8s cluster. K8s means Kubernetes only. K8s cluster. Okay. And third one is kubectl means CLI only, right? Kubelet is what? This is CLI. CLI means whatever we will enter the command, that tool only. Okay, like kubectl, we will see all the command. Okay, in Docker we will use kubectl. Okay, so this kubectl is for CLI tool. This work as a CLI tool. Okay, I think this is clear to all. These three words are clear to everyone, or anyone have doubt? हाँ, yes.
क्यूबलेट तो सिर्फ वर्कर नोड पे थे ना, मास्टर नोड पे क्यूब
No. See, on master node, kubelet is also available. Okay, but by default that is disabled. Okay, that is not in use. If you will enable it, then will work only. Okay, but in disabled format, kubelet will be available on all node. Okay. Kubelet will be available on master node as well, but if you want to use it, you have to enable it. Okay, but generally in the production we are not enabling the kubelet on master node. Okay, clear? Hulas, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now what we will do in the fifth step, first we will update the machines. Whatever we did, we will update our machine. Okay, so everything is applied on 3 server, na? Because if we miss something, then this will go wrong. So whenever you are going to set up these things, you have to be careful. Okay. So first execute sudo apt update. So once we will update the machine, okay. This should work. Okay. Yeah, done. Okay, same you have to update on this one. Sudo apt update. Okay, same command you have to execute on this machine as well. Sudo apt update. Apt update or apt get update, both command you can use, anyone you can use. Okay. Done. Okay, now after this before installing kubelet, we have to install the certificate. Okay, transport HTTP certificate you require to install it. Okay. I don't. Yes. Okay, this command. Then you have to execute the transport certificate on each nodes. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. Same we have to execute on worker node as well. What happened? The currently kernel is which is not expected. Okay. Restarting system to load the okay. Done. One more time I will execute the same. Okay, done. You have to execute on worker node 2 now. Some machines are not updated, that's why that came. Okay. Okay, done. So now transport HTTPS certificate is installed on all nodes. Okay. So now next is we will create. Okay, we will create one folder. Okay, key rings inside the etc apt where our key will store. Okay, sudo make directory -p. You can write here -p. Okay. 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 In document, I think this one is stable or not. Cloud apt because this one yesterday I fixed this one. I'm checking that this one is correct. Okay, I think in document I mentioned already. Okay, updated certificate is updated. Okay, yeah. So now what you have to do? You have to create okay directory. Okay, and whatever these things you have, these things you have to apply only on master node. Okay, which you select as a master, on that server only you have to perform these activities. Okay, not on all server. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to perform these things. So this means what? We have to create a directory where we will store a special key that verify authenticity of Kubernetes package. It is like checking an ID card before allowing someone into a building. See, like whenever we are giving a command, like through the command line interface, we will give someone like kubectl get nodes. Okay, so we are giving one command. Okay, so first he will verify that this is the correct user or not, or this user is coming from outside. Okay, so each user having one certificate. Okay, so means whenever we will log into the cluster, we should have one username and password. Okay, so those all things will be stored inside this folder. Okay, that's why we have created this one. So okay, so I'm going to create. Where we have to create a master. Okay, okay, hyphen p. Okay, so see, someone having etc app is already exists, so there is no need to create this one. If you do not have, then you require to create it. Okay, so in my machine already have by default key rings folder is available, so there is no required to create it. Okay, if already available, this will show cannot create directly file exist. Okay, okay, okay. Now you have to execute this one. Okay, this one is nothing, but this one is a stable. This one is a stable part of our Kubernetes. Okay, whatever see Kubernetes apt key ring dot gpg. So this will provide one key that will store there. Okay, so we can execute. Copy. Okay, done. Then after, now next we need to tell the apt package manager where to find Kubernetes package for downloading. Now this command will tell, okay, that where we have to install the package. Okay, so that's why we will execute this command. Okay, okay. I don't know, there is something wrong or what. 1 minute, guys. List, okay, CT, okay. 1 minute. Control C. I will little bit expand. Okay, correct only. Okay, so you have to enter this one. Okay, what happened? No such file or directory. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay. Okay. 1 minute, guys. List, okay. I don't know. I make the changes here or not. Okay, here. Okay. This command we have to execute. Okay. We make the directory. Okay. Then after this one is the updated one. Okay. This one is the updated one. I will make the changes there. Okay. So this one we need to execute. Okay. Yes, we will override. Okay. This one is the correct one. Okay. Then after you have to execute this command. Okay. Okay, done. Then after you have to see there is two command. Okay. Now this is applied. Okay. Now we will install three things. I explained here, we will install three things: kubelet, kubeadm, and kubectl. Okay, so we have one command. Okay, again we can update it first. Okay, first I will update it. Okay, I will try to update it. After this, we should use update command. Okay, so I will update it. Okay, done. Okay, now we can install. See, if you guys are not able to update this now, after using these things, if you guys are not able to update this, means something is wrong. Okay, means in the key something is wrong. So no problem. I will send these all command. Okay, I will delete these all. Okay, whatever I used, I will delete it because again I will forward. So that now only I will delete. Okay, okay, done. Okay, okay. Now in these things we will not use. I will use update. We already used here, right? Sudo apt update. After that we will use. Then after we can see. We have two command here. I have written. See, if you want to install a particular version of kubelet, kubeadm, kubectl, then you can use this command. Okay, kubelet 1.26.5 is available here, 1.26 is available, and here if you will use this command, whatever will be the latest, that will installed. Okay, so I will use the latest one. Okay, so later on, if you want to upgrade it, we have for the upgradation you can use this link. Okay, you can use this link, like in your company, like old Kubernetes old cluster is available. Okay, so like if you want to upgrade from 126 to 127, you can use this. Okay, so maybe 1 year old cluster I have, I will check it and I will show this one also. Okay, these things are means sometimes this kind of work is assigned to you guys. Okay, whenever you will work as a DevOps engineer. Okay, so now we will use this command. Okay, so this will install our these three. Okay, yeah. So today we have learned about the installation of kubelet, kubeadm, and kubectl. Okay, these three things. And before installation, we did so many steps as well. So now, okay. So this step you have to perform only on master node. Okay. Okay, done. So now we can check the version. So how we can check the version? Kubeadm version you can write. One command is this one. Okay, you can check. See, this is the, where is the version? This is the version. Okay, this is the latest version of your kubeadm. You can use this command as well. -o sort. Okay, this is the version of kubeadm. If you want to check the version of kubectl, right? Sorry, kubelet, right? Yeah, so this is the version. what it's giving? Kubelet flag. We can check it. Kubelet hyphen version only. Spelling is correct only, right? Kubelet version. I don't know, this one is not giving. And one more thing, we installed CubeADM, right? CubeADM version, yes, we are able to see. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So today we will stop here only. Okay, so now next class will be on weekends, or if today is Monday only, right?
Yes.
Today is Monday. If Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, तुम्हारा क्लास कौन में रहता है? Monday, Tuesday, MWF. Okay, MWF. Then, if there is more class now, we can join on Thursday. Okay. Then after on Saturday. Okay, on Thursday we will connect on same time. Okay, 9 o'clock. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.